Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a real hot girl summer transformation. I know summer is almost over. I want to cry, you guys. Like, it went by so fast. But yeah, so we're going from looking tired to looking hella glam, guys. Okay, so get ready and let's begin. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to prep my hairline for my wig. Basically, please ignore my braids, you guys. Like, let them be great. I'm basically just trying to grow out my hair as much as possible before I put like my relaxer in it. And yeah, so now I'm just putting the Got2B spray just to make sure it's really nice and tacky for the wig application. I'm just filling in my eyebrows while I wait for the gel to get tacky, and I'm just using a Ruby Kisses brow pencil. So I did my eyebrows, cleaned them up with concealer, and then I just applied the wig once I was done. This is my new blonde wig that I colored myself, you guys. Like, I'm so proud of this color. I think I have a little video, so if you guys want to see that, just let me know and I can just edit it and upload it. Tied my hair with a scarf just to make sure the hairline sets and everything. Then I prepped my skin with a little facial mist, and that was from Caudalie. And then I'm just going to be applying some foundation. This is my Too Faced Cosmetics Born This Way foundation in the shade Chestnut. You guys know this is my favorite foundation to use. And then I'm also using the Born This Way concealer by Too Faced, and this is in the shade, I believe this is Warm Sand. So I just blended that and I used it as a base for my eyelids. And I'm using the Tarte Cosmetics Toasted Eyeshadow Palette. And the first color I'm applying is called Warmth, and I'm just using this as my transition color. I'm doing a very quick brown smoky eye, and I actually couldn't find my proper fluffy brush that I used to blend out my shadows, so as you see me like switching back and forth from different brushes. Okay, now I'm going in with the color Cozy, and I'm just going to be applying that all over my eyelids first before I go in with an even darker brown color, which is this one that I'm pointing at, and this is called Fireside. Okay, so I just went, I used those three colors and I just went back and forth with them. I applied Fireside, then I applied Warmth again to blend it out until I got my desired smokiness. If that makes sense. But yeah, you guys, so as you can see, I'm kind of struggling low-key just because I don't have like my exact brushes that I like to use with me. I couldn't find them for some very odd reason. Anyways, so I go back and forth with Fireside and Warmth, like I said, and yeah, blend everything out. Now I'm just using this black gel liner pencil from YSL. I forget the exact name, but this is like one of the creamiest pencils I've ever used, and it lasts a really long time too, and it's really black. So yeah, I just applied that, and then I use a brush to just kind of smudge it out just to give me that like smoky effect. After that, I applied some mascara, and then I'm just going to move on to the rest of my face while I wait for my lashes to prep. I'm applying some Born This Way concealer. This is in the shade Warm Sand, and I used Toffee to contour, and I'm just going to blend everything out. If you want to see a detailed contour and highlighting video, I will link one in the description box, so please do check that out. Once everything is blended, I'm just going to go in with some Banana Luxury powder, and I'm just going to use this to set all of the highlighted areas. Absolutely love this powder. I'll continue to rave about it because it's really good. It just gives me like a nice matte finish, and it does not give you any flashback, which is awesome. So yeah, like I said, I'm just applying it to all the areas that I highlighted, and then I'm going to go ahead and set the contour areas with a darker powder. And as you can see, I'm showing you guys that I've just applied my lashes. This powder is from Ruby Kisses. I believe this is in the shade Honey Brown. It's their mineral powder. But yeah, so I'm just applying that to all of the outer areas of my face where I contoured. And what I'm doing right here is I'm just setting the contoured area of my nose with some translucent powder first, and then I go in with the Ruby Kisses powder to set the contoured area. Then I just went back and I applied some more translucent powder just on the sides of the nose and on the bridge, just to really snatch that nose. And if you want to learn how to do this properly with like detailed step by step, please watch my video on that, and I will link that in the description box or on the screen as well for you guys. Now I'm using this blush by Makeup Forever. It's just a nice peachy pink blush, absolutely love it. Now I'm applying some highlighter. This is from the Anastasia and Nicole Guirreiro collection. This will always be a staple in my kit, just because the highlighters are so, like, you know, when you're looking for that wet looking bright highlight, this is it. Every single one of the colors in that collection is sick. But yeah, I'm just applying it to the bridge of my nose, inner corners, and my cupid's bow as well. Now I'm just lining my lips with a lip liner, and this is from, I believe this is Kiss New York Roasted Coffee. And then yes, you'll see me, I'm applying LA Girl concealer on my lips, because guys, this is like the perfect nude lip combo. I think I'm going to do another video just talking about like how to achieve this nude lip combo, but I absolutely love it. And I just top it off with some pink lip gloss. This is from NYX, and I believe this is called Smoky Look. It's one of their butter glosses. Now I'm going to be using this Pixie eyeliner just to line my waterline, and I didn't want to use black just so I could achieve like that dull look. And then I'm applying the Too Faced Damn Girl mascara. This is new and this is amazing. Look at how freaking long it makes my bottom lashes look. I love this mascara. It's really good. You guys should give it a go. And then this is my second layer of blush. I applied 2 layers of blush because I find that blush like disappears from my face really quick. So that one was from Juvia's Place. And then I'm just going to finish everything off with the Codely setting spray that I started off with. And yeah, you guys, this is the finished look. I'm going to go back in and just apply a little powder again, just to give me that brightened effect. And I think I've showed you guys this trick before, but yeah, it really works. So yeah, I'm just doing that, and then I'm going to apply some highlighter to the top of my cheekbones. And this highlighter is from the Juvia's Place Saharan 1 palette, I believe, the blush palette. And then yeah, so I'm just applying the highlighter, and I love how it's just such a nice natural looking glow. Okay, and then I dusted off the excess powder, and this is the finished look, you guys. Love how it turned out, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next one. Don't forget to be a hot girl all summer, and stay tuned for the tiny little clip in the end of where I show you guys my outfit. It was such a little clip, like I was rushing on this day, so I couldn't film a full outfit clip. But yeah, I hope you guys like it anyways. Thank you. See you all in my next video. Bye.